I'm Ross Nadok with Van Otten Company with your closing comments for June 22nd. Corn finished down 3 to 4 cents here today, just a little more follow through selling. The weather models, of course, they continue to have this additional rain here built into the key areas that were drying out over the next 10 days. So if that does continue, if that does actually fall, those amounts will be monitored and that will affect the market moving ahead. Soybeans today closed up 4 to 6. And that market, of course, still finding some support from the demand side of the story, but that's also had some benefit with the weather. So that's another market we'll be watching. The corn market, backing up to the corn once again, we are targeting that support level at 395 in the December board. That's a 100-day moving average and a 200-day moving average. Looks like an important area of support. The soybean market, their support line is a 20-day. We went down and tested that and played with both sides of that today. We settled higher once again, keeping that bull trend intact. The wheat market, again, back to the bottom end of the range. Some major support down there. And just very little of that support to wheat right now. We got increased production in a number of areas around the world. And with Russia, for instance, and other areas that are a little bit lower. But right now, just a very large wheat supply that's carrying this market. Down over in the live cattle, we actually traded a little higher today. And the feeders both. And again, technical areas that are important to hold there. Those markets, the cattle, for instance, they had cutout values that actually bounced about $2 this morning in choice, waiting on the settle here yet today. The feeder cattle market, the cash has been a little bit softer, but those also very important levels to watch. Moving ahead with the cattle market, we do have a cattle on feed report here out Friday. We're looking for about 9% more for placements. And a little more negative side to that. At the same time, exports have the potential to increase here and imports have tailed off. The hog market currently down hard today. I think what we're witnessing in today's market was a lot of cattle hog spreading, which comes in seasonal this time of year. So hogs finished down fairly hard in the front, led by the front months. I'll leave you with a disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of futures results. Futures and options trading involves risk and loss is not suitable for all producers.